How to use astrology to make money. Hey friends, did you know the stars can help you make money? That's right. Your zodiac sign can show you the best way to earn and save money. Let's go on a fun astrology adventure to learn how. 1. Planets that bring money. Some planets help us get rich. Jupiter. This planet brings luck and big opportunities. Venus, the planet of money, shopping, and nice things. Saturn, the teacher planet. It helps us save and work hard. Find out where these planets are in your birth chart. They show you the best ways to make money. To how each zodiac sign can make money. Zodiac sign has a special talent for making money. Let's see what yours is. Aries, great at leading. Try starting your own business. Taurus, loves nice things. You're good at saving and investing. Gemini, you talk a lot. Jobs and social media or sales are perfect. Cancer, you take care of others. Try food, real estate, or family businesses. Leo, you shine bright. Acting, music, and entertainment are for you. Virgo, super smart, great at planning, organizing, and writing. Libra, you love beauty. Fashion, design, or helping people works for you. Scorpio, great at solving problems. Banking, business, or real estate fits you. Sagittarius, loves adventure, teaching, travel, and blogging are fun. Capricorn, the boss. You're good at running businesses and making money grow. Aquarius, super creative. Tech, inventions, and online jobs are for you. Pisces, a dreamer. Music, art, and healing jobs make you happy. Use your zodiac sign's special talents to pick the best job or side hustle. 3. The best time. The moon and planets can help you know when to make big money moves. New moon, best time to start something new, like a job or business. Full moon, time to collect rewards and see your hard work pay off. Jupiter transits. When Jupiter moves through lucky places in your chart, big money can come your way. Check when the next new moon is and set a goal for your money. For fun astrology. Want to bring more money into your life? Try these fun astrology tricks. Wear lucky colors. Green for wealth, gold for success. Use lucky crystals. Citrine and pyrite are great for attracting money. Pick the best days. Fridays are lucky for money moves. Write money goals. Say, I am rich and successful every morning. Host. Wow, astrologers understand how to make and save money. Now, let's try a fun challenge. Comment your zodiac sign and tell me what's your dream job. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun astrology tips. Outro music. Hashtag Astrology and Doni. Hashtag Zodiac Wealth. Hashtag Lucky Stars. Hashtag Money Horoscope. Hashtag Zodiac Scenes. Hashtag Astrology for Success. Hashtag Manifest Money. Hashtag Wealth Astrology. Hashtag Money Tips.